Blow it out, see that silhouette through the smoke. With every step I swear the light glimmers off her shoulder. Skin tone, chocolate mocha cream mixed with coca. She Beyonce up in them heels, I can be Jehovah. And that's all I need to know. The worst she can say is no.
I approach like I don't do this usually. Walking up to you and try to holler's kinda new to me. Never seen a smile that's comparable to jewelry. You fooling me. Truth being told, you probably ruined me and have me all jealous. Fellas, all up in your face, all up in your DMs, all up in your mentions. I promise that I'm different. I listen to you, cater to your needs, and nobody will be all up in our business. So can I have your number? Huh? Can I have it? All I need is a chance, and if you give it to me, I'ma grab it. Now I ain't trying to play. The game is for beginners. Here's the dilemma. Shit, I'm just being real with you. Without me, you just misses. But with me, girl, you Mrs. Winners.
All I wanted was a text. Baby girl, you got me stressed. I'ma handle all the rest. 'Cause all I wanted was a text. Baby, meet me in the middle. I can't handle all the rest. All I wanted was a text. Baby girl, you got me stressed. I'ma handle all the rest. 'Cause all I wanted was a text. Baby, meet me in the middle. I can't handle all the rest.
It's been a couple weeks. Haven't heard from me. Excuse me. Haven't heard back. I mean, I get being busy, but being left on red, do I deserve that? Look, you don't know me anything.